Hi guys, welcome to Crafts and Canvas. I'm Madhuri and today, shh, I'm gonna tell you secret materials to our oil paintings. Are you ready? Let's begin. You might be wondering what is so secretive about these materials? You might get content details of anything and everything on internet today. You Google, you search YouTube videos, there are so many blogs, websites available. But you know what? You are absolutely right. As a beginner, I did the same thing. I did a lot of researches on materials, but I ended up being lost. You often turn out to get most professional kit which is way too complex or say more expensive for a beginner, or you end up getting very basic ones which might not give the magic touch to your oil paintings. So stay tuned and watch the entire video because as they say, things that are at the last create new beginnings. So you never know, it might give you a new beginning for your oil paintings. When we ask a question to a non artist or a beginner as to what materials are required for oil paintings, they end up saying canvas, some paints, and brushes. But that's not it, there's some more. So, today in this video, we will guide you through all the materials that we'll need essentially for oil painting. As you can see, I have set up all the materials that are required for oil painting. Let us go through each of them. Let's begin with canvas. So this is a canvas board which is of 12 cross 16 inch and comes with a pack of 4. Today in market there are all varieties of canvas boards available of different sizes and quantities. Make sure you are taking the right canvas board which is specifically for oil paintings. Next is the paint brushes. This is the specific set of paint brushes that I use. This has all different sizes and shape which allow you to paint anything and everything of your imagination. This also is very comfortable to hold, easy to paint and maintain. It comes with a Ziploc cover which allow you to store your paint brushes safely. Apart from these brushes, you will also need knives. Um, Knives, not the real ones, but the plastic painting knives. These knives will help you give texture to your paintings. These knives are very economical and budget friendly. Now, the most important material for oil painting, the oil colors. I use oil camel colors. This specific set I would recommend to all beginners. Why? Because it has 12 shades and all of these 12 shades will be very useful for your paintings. Now, when it comes to paint, it's a mess. It's a mess all over, not only on your tools and brushes, but also your work area. So, to clean off your tools and brushes, we have something special called the distilled turpentine. This will help you remove of all the pigments of oil from your tools. Very important and essential when you're doing oil painting. Now, apart from all of these, you will also need primer. I use the Gesso white primer. Primer is something that you would want to apply before starting to paint off anything. Why? Because this will make sure that the oil from the paints does not spread over the canvas. Now, finally, we have something called as purified linseed oil. As you are aware, for any watercolor, acrylic color paintings, we use water as a medium to mix the colors. Similarly, for oil paintings, Linseed oil will act as a medium to mix all your colors. It will give a smooth finish for all your colors when you're painting. Last but not the least, palette. You can use any size, any form, any shape of palette as long as you have it for your mixing. Link to all the materials are in the description box. Canvas board, paint brushes, plastic knife, distilled turpentine, primer, purified linseed oil, oil colors, and palette. Now you are ready to start with your first oil painting. Please like and subscribe to our channel Craft and Canvas. Thank you.